Hello everyone, this is Gayle, and if you look at these, they look familiar. These are the Aurora Borealis canes that I made, and they were, I haven't had a chance to get a video done this week, and I came in to clean off my table and these were still sitting here. So what I ended up doing was manipulating. These were the originals here, and I started manipulating them, and I thought, okay, those looked okay, so let me try with the other one. So I thought I would turn the camera on. Things are moving along with my house, but it's getting scary. I was going to trim this off. I'm trying to think of the best way to do this. I'm going to take a square pear. That's Teresa Salgado's. This is the medium one. And I'm going to manipulate this some. And I'm thinking first I'm going to try to bring this around and make it back into a round cane. Let me just press it in a little bit there. But I'm going to bring this back into a round cane with the magenta on the outside. This is the magenta pearl. So there you go. And I will roll it. I'm embarrassed to say this was still sitting on my desk because it's been like 2 weeks since I did my video, but I just don't get into my clay room anymore. There's so much going on with my house. But what I thought I would do is take the square pears from Teresa at Tiny Pandora, and I'm going to press these in. I'm going to do it twice here, and then I'm going to just try to, well, maybe I need to just do it once. Then I'm going to just try to heel it. And I'm going to do the same thing here. Let me just think about this for a minute. If I'm slicing down this way, yeah, I think that's the way I want to do it. So I'll do the same thing on the opposite side. I'll press a dent in and then heel it. And press another one in. And you can go down as far as you want. Of course, now we've got a long flat cane, so we need to get it back to round. And you can see it's all misshapen here on this side, but that's okay. It's going to become to our benefit. And then I think I'm going to take my ruler. If I can find I'll use this. This ought to work. This is a piece of plastic that you use to size rings. And I'm going to go down the other side because this will go in a little bit deeper. And I'll just press those back. And I'll do the same thing on the other side here. I might do this one 3 times and push it back. Then I'll make it back into a round cane and slice it and see what we've got. In looking at some of the pictures, some of you sent me pictures of the real Aurora Borealis in the sky. And the colors were good. It's just it was a little too perfect. So let's see what we've got. I'm going to start slicing. And I'm going to slice them a little thicker because I'm going to run them through the pasta machine. But see how it's broken them up and kind of mixed the colors in together? And the further I get in here, the more it looks like a real Aurora Borealis. I'm really happy with this. If you didn't see my original video, I will tag that in the description below so you can see my original, how we came up with this. I really like this. And it will probably look even better when I run it through the pasta machine. So let me see, I've got it set on a number 3. I think I'll just move it down to a number 4 and just see what happens. Alright, this one I rolled this way, so this one I'll roll this way. But look at those, aren't they pretty? They look a little bit more like the Aurora Borealis than the ones that I did before. Oh, that's so pretty. I like these. And you can use these in so many ways. They would even be pretty covering a sorry. Like if you have a tin, you could cover a tin. I'm really liking these. So there you go. Those look a little bit more. Let me come out a little bit. I think I came in for something a little while ago. But look at those. Those look a little bit more like the Aurora Borealis. So sorry I wasn't able to get a video done this week. But I did want to touch base with you and let you see this. And I'm going to just tag this on the end. I'll make a note to watch the original. And then these it just shows how much better it looks when they're manipulated. So I hope you like that. And I'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.